Hi. Today we will learn how to change the icon of this PC in Windows 11. If I try normally, this won't let me do it from Properties. So, let's start. Open this PC. Just drag and drop this PC icon on the desktop. Now right-click and go to Properties. Change icon. Now, here you can choose the icon you want to replace for this PC icon. I take this one. The icons has been changed. Now delete the earlier this PC. And take this to there. From now on, this is your this PC icon with custom icon. By this way you can also change the icon of other programs in your desktop. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.